Oh my God, there it is. Oh my goodness. So we actually do have to do this right. I'm not gonna lie to you, right? This is a Chipotle burrito. I haven't had Chipotle in like 2 years, but we're gonna try to finish this burrito without getting anything on the wrapper, right? So let's pick up this. Oh my gosh! So far, nothing. We got the burrito, right? Now this is gonna be hard because I take big bites, but I'm definitely gonna try to make everything as clean as possible, right? Going in for the first bite. Chipotle, baby. Let's do this. Okay. First bite. Look at that. All right, second bite. Oh my goodness. I can't. We're still clean. We are still clean. All right, let's see what we got. I should have got some sauce. Fuck! God damn it! Damn! Well, now there's more because I threw it down, but this is the first attempt, and I'm not gonna lie, this is so good, so I don't even care. Let's finish this. Yo, let me tell you, challenge or not, you cannot go wrong with a Chipotle burrito. 10 out of 10, make sure you go get you some Chipotle. Come on, y'all gotta eat with me. Gotta eat with me.